Hello guys, Tesla has started rolling out a new feature in the Tesla app that allows you to select an area of concern on a 3D model of your car when making a service request. This feature is not yet available to everyone. Tesla's latest software update reportedly improved visualization and camera feed smoothness for Intel equipped car according to multiple users. Have you noticed any type of difference? If confirmed, this raises hope for full screen visualization and vision park assist.